Hello and welcome to this installation tutorial for the elec calc software, where we will see how to easily install the software after receiving a confirmation email for the purchase or subscription of the software. First of all, you will find the installation guide attached to the email if you need more information on the subject. To install the software, the first step is to copy the license number provided in the confirmation email. You will need it multiple times during the installation process. Next, click on the orange download button, which will redirect you to the Trace Support website. If this is your first time visiting this site, you will need to create an account by providing your license number and basic information. You will then need to validate a confirmation email to access the support site. Once you are on the site, two menus will be available. Here, we will select the download menu. In the download menu, you will find a drop-down list in the upper left corner that allows you to select the desired product. In our case, we select elec calc. Next, you will notice that different categories are available, namely installation, update, catalog, videos, documentation, and utility. Each category includes specific downloads, except for the video category, which contains all available product-related videos. To install the software, we choose the installation category. This will take us to the page displaying all installation files. The first file in the list is always the latest version of the software. To download the installation file, click on the small download icon on the right, and then click Download again. Once the executable file is downloaded, open it from your File Explorer and navigate to the folder where it was saved. For me, it is in the Downloads folder. By simply double-clicking, the executable will launch. After approving the execution of the file, the installation window will appear, and by clicking Next multiple times, we will proceed with the software installation. If you choose the wrong language, don't worry, you can change it later. Regarding packages, if you do not have a floating license server, select all 4 items. Otherwise, installing the license server is not necessary. Once the configuration is complete, the installation of the software begins, and when finished, 3 icons will appear on your desktop. At this point, you have successfully installed the elec calc software. You can launch it by double-clicking on its icon. However, you will not be able to use it yet, as you need to activate the license first. Now let's go over the quick activation process for the elec calc license. When you launch elec calc for the first time, the software will prompt you to enter a license number and activate it. The license will remain active for the duration of your subscription, allowing you to use elec calc. Once the subscription expires, you will need to use the license manager to reactivate your license. We recommend applying catalog patches as soon as they become available to access the latest manufacturer references. If you want to learn more about activation and reactivation of your license, we invite you to watch the dedicated video. Thank you for your attention, and see you soon.